Hi, this is Yahoo. I'm Mark Option Trader. Today is September 11, 2025. It's 13 a.m. Japan time. Let's go over today's market review. The Nikkei closed yesterday at 43838 yen, up 0.87% from the previous day. During the night session, it even touched 44000 yen, showing that the market is still quite strong. The volatility index is at 24.35, not much change, so there's not strong sense of fear just yet. This morning, Nikkei futures are trading around 43900 yen, so it's possible we could see 44000 again during today's session. The PER stands at 17.97 times, just below the 18x threshold. EPS is 2439 yen. At this level, I think we might see PER break above 18 once, but clearly 18 is acting as a key barrier. In the bond market, the 10-year JGB is at 3.2%. And basically, no. In the bond market, the 13-year JGB is 3.23%, basically unchanged. Looking at individual stocks, it's still very much a stock picking market. Yesterday's 1877 stocks rose, so more than half of the market gained. But interestingly, the names that were strong before did not feel that strong yesterday. It seems money is rotating everywhere elsewhere. Ahead of LDB leadership rise on October 1st, this kind of selective stock buying mood may continue. Personally, I think it's ideal if the index stays range bound at the high levels, while strong individuals' names get actively traded. Now over the U.S. market, the S&P closed at 6532 point, up 0.3%. The VIX is at 15.35, so not much change here, is it? Gold rose to $3640, 0.39%. The gold body index GBZ is at 17.37, down for the second day in a row. So the risk of mood has eased a little, and instead we may be seeing a strong demand for gold as a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin is flat at 11393 dollar. Not much movement here. On the geopolitical side, several things are happening. Important and Russian drone entered the airspace, and NATO together with US forced intercepted it. Meanwhile, the Israel military carried out strikes in Qatar and Yemen. President Trump commented, but it seems even he's struggling to full manage the situation. This tension could be one reason why gold demand has picked up. Gold started rising around August 25. On the 26th, it was at 3393 dollar, and since then it climbed about $200. So it's 150 dollar or $200. It's possible that 2 weeks ago, some insiders sensed these developments and started buying gold. In the sense, it might not be so much about inflation, but rather about the war-related risk hedging. For Japanese equities, there has not been much reaction to these geopolitical events. So for now, it's important to keep an eye on the headlines, but the market trend remains intact. 1 month shocking piece of news from the U.S. Conservative activist with about 5.3 million followers in X. It was shot and killed during the university event. President Trump also made comment about it. This is not just another shooting incident. It could feed into the recent immigration crackdowns, such as raid and the enforcement action, and it could deepen the division inside the U.S. It's very tragic event, but one that could have broad political consequences. You might recall the film and the Civil War on Amazon Prime. Unfortunately, even events like this may the scenario feels less like fiction. It's something we should acknowledge as a real risk going forward. Although the Nikkei remains strong for now, we can continue to ride this bullish sentiment. That's all for today's review. Please follow my contents. Image it taking a long put option, and I'll see you tomorrow again. See you.